No, she's gonna end up choking instead. That is not what you're supposed to be doing. Here, let's fix that.
Better?
No, just about.
Stop it. Better?
And that is how you fix the issue of inner sneezing.